Quantum computing isn't just science fiction anymore. And with D-Wave Leap, your business can tap into quantum power straight from the cloud. But does it actually matter for you right now? Welcome to HowToLiterally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. Today, we're looking at D-Wave Leap, a cloud-based quantum computing platform that gives developers and businesses real-time access to quantum systems, specifically D-Wave's annealing-based quantum processors. Leap is designed for optimization problems, things like logistics, supply chain, portfolio optimization, basically anything with a massive number of possible solutions. You can build and run hybrid quantum classical applications directly from the interface or integrate via API. It supports Python and comes with tools like Ocean SDK to help structure your problems for a quantum approach. The catch? You need to understand the use case. Leap isn't plug and play for just anyone. It's best suited for researchers, data scientists, or teams in industries like finance, manufacturing, or energy who are actively working on complex optimization. So is it a must-have? Not for every business. But if your company's bottlenecks involve optimization at scale and you're ready to explore quantum-enhanced solutions, Leap is an incredibly accessible way to start. Thank you for watching HowToLiterally and see you in the next one.